Let's go to work. Hey! Cheater! Stupid bugs. I don't know how far that hole goes. It's longer than this drill bit. I don't know if that goes all the way through or what. Let me get a little vacuum on that. A little vacuum action. Well, we did find this thing. I have one of these I bought. Looks like this coming from a yard sale. And will this fit this? I don't know. If I can get it out of there, I'll see. How about that? Okay, let me find the end I'm going to use. You want none of the attachments to go on here except if you use this hose. Well, that's all real great, but it didn't seem to want to work too good. All right, let me clean this up. Alright, that'll help it slide a little bit, maybe, hopefully. Get a rubber hammer. Okay, Jim has moved the anvil and all rubber hammer is missing in action. Okay, he's been flying around there. I don't guess he's going to try anything. Alright, now I got to do a bunch of cleaning up. And I need some light over here in this dark hole. Get a lot of this going on here. And a lot of oil. Well, I have run into this. What I need to do is put my quick change tool post on here, and I'll have it made. I think this is the thing that come with it. It is a 1/2 inch, and this measures 7/16. So that's what I gotta mess with. It don't fit it up here exactly, but it would get me by. That's what I need to do. Okay, finally got set up over here. And I'm in the dark. Side with the new motor. I may have to speed that up. My pumper is not pumping anymore. Oh boy. Still at it. Oh shit. It might have thrown the breaker on the motor. I will see. Let me let it rest a few minutes. Okay, that old drill press motor, it just couldn't hack it, I don't reckon. Be doing it by hand. Okay, that's supposed to be it. That took a while. Let's see how she's gonna do. Oh yeah. Not all kosher, but it will work if my bolt is long enough. And yes, it is. Okay, I'm gonna take a break after all of that business, and then I gotta bolt this back down. Alright, let's see if we can't get this motor button back up. May be a while, huh? Long ratchet. Just got caught in the rain as I was talking. Lost my rag somewhere. Okay, got that bolted down. I think the last time I had this running fired up was I wasn't taking any videos. This is a E Reed 16-inch lathe. That's the machinery company that had it and sold it. And I put all these little doodads in there to keep dust out. What else I do this? I has completely rewired it. I had it running. The feed screw here got bent by a wild man on a bobcat. I bent it and bent it and bent it back in shape, bent it and bent it. Never was satisfied. So what I done was I took it out, turned it around, machined it to go in here, and most of the bent parts down there, it still needs that feed rod. It's not perfect, but it's really, really close. Now that the crazy rain has got started here with the sunshine shining, let me, I gotta drag the phase converter out here. That's what I gotta do. Brand new wheels and tires. Already low on air. That one's about flat. Alright, let me fill them up. Alright, all aired up. Let's see if we can't drag this over here. I gotta go up a hill and all that paint's in my way. Okay, let's oil her up. Way over there. I think that's her. Do believe. That in there takes a grease gun. It's a good thing. I took the plug off or something. I forgot about that. What did I do that for? I don't remember. Well, that's the way she goes. Well, I ain't nothing out here now except mosquito bait, so I need to get out of here. Let me clean up all my junk.